I've set up some LEDs on breadboards to check out a question I often get asked. Can I mix different colour LEDs and just wire them together? Firstly, here are 3 white 10mm LEDs connected in parallel. That's all the cathodes connected together and all the anodes connected together. They're powered by a 9V battery, and there is one current limiting resistor to make sure that they get 60 milliamps. That's 20 each. In my video all about LEDs part 1, I've shown how to work out the value of a current limiting resistor, and in other videos in this sequence I'll be exploring power, series and parallel connections. When I push the button, the LEDs light up, all working together. On this other breadboard I have the same setup, a 9V battery and the same current limiting resistor, but this time I've swapped out the white LEDs for red, green and blue, once again all connected in parallel. Now when I press the button, red glows really brightly, green lights up reasonably well, but blue is very dim or not lighting up at all. Why does this happen? Why don't the LEDs all light up evenly? The reason is that each colour LED needs a different voltage across it to make sure it has the correct current through it. The red LED needs about 1.8 to 2 volts, the green somewhere between 2 and 3 volts, and the blue around 3 to 3.2 volts. The red is offering the easiest path for the electricity to flow, has too much current going through it and is glowing brightly. The balance across each LED is affected by the differences, so the green gets some current, but the blue LED is getting almost none. So the answer to the question, can I mix different colour LEDs and just wire them together, is probably not. It's unlikely to work. The next question that's reasonable to ask is, what about commercial strings of LEDs that light with all different colours mixed? And the answer to that is that they come with special current controlled power supplies and are manufactured so that they'll work together, and this is very different from using individual component LEDs. The solution is to treat each colour individually. So on this end of the board I have the same colour LEDs, each with its own resistor. I've actually used 3 small variable resistors so that I could quickly adjust them to give the correct voltage and current for each colour, and when I push the button they all light up fairly evenly. So if you're making a model, lighting up a layout, or have any lighting in a project, you can't just mix them up and hope they will work. You will need to have a separate circuit for each colour, either with individual LEDs or combinations of them in series or parallel. An alternative is to use controller chips, which I'll look into in another episode. Look out for more videos in the All About LEDs series to explore these topics further. You can ring the bell icon if you want to be notified when they come along, and it would be great if you subscribe as well. I'll be back soon with more videos about LEDs and other topics. Thanks for watching.